All right, so I am going to be reading the article, the Newsela article for December 1st. It's titled Scientists Build Model of Yellowstone, Change Idea of Volcano's Creation. And it looks like it has this picture here of the Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park. It is the largest hot spring in the United States and the third largest in the world. Below the hot springs at Yellowstone lies a sleeping supervolcano. A supervolcano sleeps under Wyoming's Yellowstone's National Park. It is much stronger than a regular volcano. The supervolcano should not erupt or explode anytime soon. If it did, the eruption would cover the western U.S. with ash. No one knows how the supervolcano was created. It is a mystery. One idea was that a mantle plume created it. Mantle plumes push hot rocks up from inside the earth. When a volcano erupts, these rocks push through the Earth's surface. Many pictures of volcanoes show these rocks spraying into the air. Computer shows idea was wrong. A computer simulation has proved that idea wrong. A simulation is a computer program. It is a way for a computer to show how things in the real world could happen. The simulation showed that a mantle plume could not reach the surface at Yellowstone. The plume would be blocked. A giant slab of rock would stop it. Legion Liu is a scientist at the University of Illinois. He studies the Earth and how it works. He built the computer simulation. His student, Tiffany Leonard, helped. Liu and Leonard entered information about Yellowstone into a computer. The computer then recreated the history of the supervolcano. The simulation showed something surprising. The simulation showed that a giant slab of rock would block a mantle plume below Yellowstone. Slab broke and sank. This slab of rock was once part of a tectonic plate. These plates are gigantic pieces of rock that fit together to make the Earth's surface. 100 million years ago, one of these plates broke. A giant slab of this plate was pushed below the Earth's surface. It sank into the Earth's mantle. The mantle is made of hot and semi-liquid rocks. Liu's simulation shows what happened next. 15 million years ago, a hole formed in this slab of rock. A mantle plume shot through the hole. This plume reached the Earth's surface. Signs of this plume can still be seen on the Earth's surface. That was the last mantle plume to rise at Yellowstone. New understanding of Yellowstone. As the slab of rock sank further down, the mantle surrounded it. The hot and semi-liquid rocks of the mantle are very thick. Mantle oozes like honey. The mantle sealed the hole in the slab. The slab became a lid on the top of the plume. The plume was blocked from ever reaching the surface again. Knowing about this slab of rock is important. It changes our understanding of Yellowstone. It shows that the idea that a mantle plume created the supervolcano is wrong. Scientists must now find a better way to explain how the Yellowstone supervolcano was created.